Hi, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha, and this video is about currency analysis service. I know this is a very new concept, but there are many ways by which we can predict things, like maybe tarot reading, maybe astrology, maybe palmistry. So we have thought about a new kind of a modality which is known as currency note analysis. So in which you send me any currency note, okay, give me a number on your currency note, and there are certain mystical calculations which we do, and by that we can predict a lot of things. This is also a very not very known vidya, not a very known knowledge, but yes, it is pretty accurate. We can tell you a lot about solutions that you can do in your vastu, maybe into your energy, maybe what color, maybe what crystals. There are so many things that we can just predict through just one currency note. Okay, any currency note would do, and we will also distantly charge it for you, and we will help you attract money, career, relationship, health, whatever that you want, and I hope you will take part in this service. The details of the service are given with the content in the video. Thank you so much.